Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a frameless mirror. Now, to get started, you want to remove anything that's around the edges of the mirror. Here, for example, the light fixture was touching the top edge of the mirror. Our Ace handyman turned off the power to the fixture and removed it before starting on the mirror. Now, most frameless mirrors are glued to the wall. So what you need to do is break the glue's hold on the mirror. To keep this project as clean as possible, you're going to use shims to break that hold. Place the shims across the top edge of the mirror about every 6 inches or so to start. Gently tap the shims down behind the mirror. Add more shims as you go. Now you want to spread out the pressure on the mirror as much as possible. This will lessen the chance of cracking the mirror. Keep tapping the shims gently across the top of the mirror. When the shim appears stuck in one spot, move down the line, tapping the other shims down. As the mirror comes farther out from the wall, start doubling up on the shims so they can push the mirror a little bit more. Continue tapping the shims as far as they go until you hear this noise. That means you've broken the glue's hold on the mirror. Next, gently lift the mirror out of the track that holds the mirror at the bottom. If it's a large mirror, it would be helpful to have a friend help lift it off. The channel is sometimes glued in place, and you may have to use a paint scraper to detach it. Removing a mirror can leave a hole in your wall or holes. If you need help patching that hole, my video on how to patch a wall is coming up next.